Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another video on the channel, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the Hamster Combat app and the function of the Hamster Boost. So it's right now available to everybody, and first thing first, we are on the Hamster Combat app, so that's the main screen. We have the couple of games here, which they are going to be on the channel, or either they are already on the channel. So we have the Fight Club game, we have the Hamster Game Dev Heroes, and we have the Hamster King, and then we have the game which was running back in the days, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago or months ago. It's not longer available. And then we have the Hamster Boost. So Hamster Boost is basically the application which allowing for people who are playing within the Hamster universe, the games, to be able to participate in the reward system, which is Tone. So basically, I'm just going to press this right now, that Hamster Boost, and I'm just gonna walk you through. Super self-explanatory because we can't really do much here in this app. So as you can see, it's going to start within 14 hours. There is going to be 2,000 Tone rewards for those people who are be able to get into that. So I'm just going to explain you super fast, super easy how we might not like everybody will get there, but we might get there. So we can press this and we can see some of the people are going to be able to get 3 Tone, 5 Tone, 10 Tone, 25, 50 and 100 Tone, and you need to be on the whitelist to be the person who is participating in it. And then when you are here, you're just basically tapping the hamster to get the points. But how to get there? So basically, we're just going back to the window. So we see what's the quest, what's all about. The quest is about the Fight Club quest. So you need to go the Fight Club game. And then when you are within the Fight Club game, you will have basically everything explained by pressing over there. You see the time here, and it's like 12 hours left. So we're just going to press this, and the Boost Rush event. So top 500 players in tournament leaderboards will gain guaranteed access to the Hamster Boost event, and you're probably not gonna be one of those people because people spending fuckloads of money. Like, just I'm playing the same time as everybody playing when the event starts, and I have like just 2,000, like barely a little bit more than 2,000 points. And so yeah, it's just fun. It is what it is. But another 100 players will be selected randomly from all players who earn at least 2,000 glory points during the tournament. So this is actually something for us, like for the people who are playing free to play. So you still have 12 hours to acquire 2,000 glory points, which is not really a big deal. I'm myself free to play, and I'm playing for the last, I don't know, 10 days, maybe longer than that. Maybe it's the second week of playing, but I'm just saying, with not really good gear, I'm able to hit that 2,000 glory points, so it's not really that big of the deal. And then we have the Hamster Boost event will be launched at March 10, 2025, 12 p.m. UTC, and will last for 50 minutes. Price pool is 2,000 Tone. So it's only 15 minutes because the whole event is all about tapping the hamster and just do as fast as possible those tasks within that app. And then they will just grant you the rewards. I'm really hoping to get there because for me, even 3 Tone will be a significant spike of assets because I'm not using any money exchange. I don't really want to put any money into playing those apps, but in the same time, I'm really hoping to get some small profits, some small assets to be able to acquire different apps, because lots of apps within the same ecosystem, they need from us to connect the wallet, but then do the small transaction, and usually that small transaction is around half Tone to 1 Tone. So one more time, the idea and the object of this channel is to be able to understand and gather as many apps as possible, to multitask them on daily basis and gather airdrops in order to put those airdrops into the different apps, which I will be able to unlock as much as apps as possible. But also, with that being said, I don't want to just dive to random apps. I genuinely want to run apps which they will have consistent seasonal airdrops. So obviously I'm not able to figure it out what's going to happen in the future from the some apps I'm running right now. But what I'm trying to say genuinely, there are some projects already which are like super huge and massive, and I'm already excited about this. And one of those projects is basically Hamsterverse, because everything you have to understand, every game in that ecosystem, in that Hamsterverse you are playing, you can go to the profile tab, which you can find this on the bottom corner or the app just down there, and then you can press this, and then basically it's telling you how much diamonds you managed to farm, what games are actually giving you the diamonds. Every game will giving you the diamonds, by the way. And then you have the seasonal airdrop, which is telling you which date is going to be an airdrop, available on September 26th, and they will basically give you airdrop judging by the diamonds. But the thing is, like, I don't really know what games and how you will farm the diamonds, because you might see right now I have diamonds, right? But that was from the game which is not in the system. They're not running that game anymore, and I was only participating one day. So that's basically it about my diamonds count. But also, I don't know how they will grant you the airdrop. Maybe there's going to be something totally different thing than diamonds. Although, well, I have some diamonds, and then we see here from game dev heroes, we're supposed to get diamonds. Although I'm playing this game every day, like all those games I'm playing every day, and I didn't receive any diamonds so far, just from the game which is not running all right now. And that was the Hamster interlude. That was a super crazy game, honestly. Like, I just played one day, was about the NFTs. It was lots of different hamsters with different universe, like Hamster Captain America with shield and shit like that. Like, it was super cool, but unfortunately it's not on, and I hope it's going to be at some point, because I think the idea of this Hamster verse is to obviously combine lots of stuff together, but I think genuinely they will try to do more apps, push more apps, more games, / more programs or whatever, miners, because it seems like it. Like, we have like a couple of windows, but I think they will genuinely try to do more. So anyway, thank you very much, guys, for watching. I think that's everything what I want to say. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. If you want to help me out, just use my referral links, because genuinely everything what's in the referral links I'm using on daily basis, and that list is going to be much higher, and I think that list is going to be higher and bigger to the point where I won't be able to actually put all the list in the description below. But I genuinely will put the apps, well, how to put it, because I'm gonna run all of them, but I would genuinely try to pick up the apps which they are like most exciting, and the apps which you don't need to put anything in order to run them, because some of the miners I put it, you actually need to put some money to be able to run them, and also some of them I'm not even able to put that money, because there's like a Pokemon miner which looks super amazing and you will get the profit from it, but you need to put something around like 50 ton or 100 ton into this to be able to actually have consistent mining. But that's just one example. Like, usually what I'm choosing, there are apps and games which we don't need to put anything. Also, we don't need any exchange. We don't need to put our money, and we're just going to gather some money from the airdrops, and then we can use those assets, airdrops, for different games to basically be able to gather more assets from the different games, different miners. Okie dokie. So that's it for now. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. One more thing, like, if you can join me to TOYGERS app, because, well, basically I will have a little bit extra points from you guys, but then while you playing, you will be able to gather your own points, and those points you'll be able to use. As you can see, I have those points over there, and those points you are going to be able to use to acquire lots of stuff like hoodies, hats, jewelry, other toys, gloves, candles, and such. Lots of things to come on this app. So just be mindful of this, because you will get stuff for free, and you can unlock the toy builder. If you will unlock the toy builder will grant you the 10,000 points on daily basis, just because you unlock that. So just be mindful of this as well. And thank you guys who joined me already. 10 people joined me, so like super appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for now. So one more time, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video, and take care. Bye for now.